Deleting and reinstalling Solitaire Cache does not delete your registered account, and Solitaire Cache says you can sign back in after reinstalling to recover your balance and XPO. A Solitaire Cache Toana. If the game still will not load after reinstalling, the problem is usually worth checking in 3 places: your connection, the app installation, and your account login. First, make sure your phone has a working internet connection before opening Solitaire Cache. If other apps and websites load normally but Solitaire Cache stays on its loading screen, close the game completely and reopen it. Then restart your phone and try the app again. Next, check the App Store for an available Solitaire Cache update. A reinstall does not necessarily solve a problem if the version being installed is affected by a current app issue, so make sure you are running the latest version available for your device. If you are on Android, you can also check the app storage settings and clear its cache before launching it again. Avoid clearing app data unless you know your account is registered and you can sign back in, because that can remove locally stored app information. The next step is especially important after a reinstall. Use the existing account sign-in option instead of creating a new account. Solitaire Cache's login process uses the phone number registered to your account and sends a verification code by SMS. A Solitaire Cache Fund. If the app opens but you cannot get past the login screen, confirm that you are entering the same phone number you originally registered with. If you changed your number, Solitaire Cache provides an account recovery process that lets you update the registered number using your old number, new number, and account email. A Solitaire Cache 3. If none of these steps fixes the loading problem, treat it as a technical issue rather than repeatedly reinstalling the app. Solitaire Cache's support team asks for details such as when the problem happened, any error message you saw, and the tournament ID when one is available. A Solitaire Cached Fortaire. So the practical fix is: verify your internet connection, restart the phone, update Solitaire Cache, reinstall only when necessary, and sign back into the existing account instead of registering again. If Solitaire Cache still will not load after those steps, contact official support and include the exact error or loading behavior you are seeing. A Solitaire Cache 5. If this fixed the problem, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire Cache troubleshooting guides.